In today's video, I'll show you how to share your booking link in Acuity scheduling step by step. If you want clients to book appointments easily through WhatsApp, email, or social media, this is the fastest way to do it. First, log into your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Clients Scheduling page section from the left-hand menu. This is where your main booking link is generated. Now you'll see your unique scheduling URL. This is the link your clients will use to book appointments. Click on the link to copy it, or use the Copy Link button if available. Next, you can share this link anywhere you want. For example, you can send it through WhatsApp messages, email, Instagram bio, Facebook pages, or even embed it on your website. If you want a more professional setup, you can also customize your booking page name so the link looks cleaner and more branded. After sharing, test the link yourself to make sure it opens correctly and displays your services and availability. If you update your services or availability later, the same link will automatically reflect those changes. Before finishing, make sure the link works on both mobile and desktop for a smooth client experience. And that's it. You've successfully shared your booking link in Acuity scheduling and made it easier for clients to schedule appointments with you. And that's how you share your booking link in Acuity scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.